Hello, welcome back to another video. I am playing with my friend online. We found each other. But anyways, just watch the video. So tell me, what are we gonna do today?
I think
So, no, tell me what we're playing right now.
Fortnite.
Yeah, well, what in Fortnite? Because I didn't tell the viewers what we're playing in Fortnite.
We're playing duos.
Okay, yeah. What kind of duos? Like zero build or what?
Normal build.
Okay, so you heard it. Moving on. So we are gonna be planning to get the dub today, because in our recent videos we haven't got the dub, sadly. Except for Royal Rumble or whatever you call it, Rumble. That's the only time when we got a victory today, because we had teammates a lot.
Yeah, we had a bunch of
Teammates.
like real players instead of AI.
Yeah. But I don't think but we didn't record it, except actually, because remember, I didn't record it.
Yeah, you said you were going.
But I recorded one, of which we got second place. You know, then we did a battle royale like this, but we got second place, sadly. And I sent that one out too.
I wish we could have recorded the part where I had 2 HP and I killed like 7 people.
True. But remember when I got that headshot through that car?
Yes.
I caught that one on footage.
That was insane, bro.
No, then the one where he was on the move running and I got a headshot, now that was real insane. Of course I didn't record that because I wasn't recording yet, sadly. Now if I was recording, man, pretty sure my phone would be blowing up.
Yeah, probably.
That's if anybody watched it.
I mean, I watched part of it.
Yeah, you watched some of it because you were in the video. For a reason.
Yeah, I wanted to see how it looked.
I'm probably gonna start filming like solo matches in Madden, because I'm Madden. Oh, also MLB The Show, because I'm the catcher and I've been gunning kids down. I've been stuffing them like a turkey with my gunning kids down. I was just trying to steal second and third. Sorry, pause about the stuffing them like turkey. Pause. But moving on. Yeah, that sounded a little messed up, didn't it?
Kind of.
My bad.
Want to fight servers?
TV when you're gay. Not me. I have a crush on a girl that sister always talks about.
I have a girlfriend.
Yeah, you have a girlfriend. Now I have a crush. Now you never know, one day I may get famous and then I do get a girlfriend.
You want to fight servers?
What?
Want to fight servers?
Yeah, why not?
I bet.
No, too late. You did it already. You failed up my plane. I was gonna drop a bomb right next to him, so he took a lot more damage. Instead, you failed the plane up. Oh no! I'm at 8 health. You're gonna have to do it from here, my guy. How did I die to service?
That's nice.
Can you come, Bro, my favorite shotgun! Maybe, no, you can keep it if you want. Because last time we killed them, they didn't give us the shotgun! They gave us a stupid, like, normal pump shot. Oh, thank you. I said you didn't have to.
I know.
But we're just besties like that. We respect each other. Except for when it's one person's fault that we died.
Yeah.
That's mainly me, except. Just one match I was, trying to go, my remote died. We didn't record this, of course. Our remote died, so I went to get him. When I came back, he was already dead and I just got killed. So.
Yeah, like he didn't even have a chance to get.
Yeah, I didn't even have a
Like,
chance because right when I got back, they headshotted me. I didn't get no chance to even try to kill him. And the first time I actually met this guy was when I was actually being the goat in Fortnite.
Weren't we playing,
Damn
like,
it, man!
duos? Weren't we playing like duos still?
Yeah, no, you're playing squads. We met each other, and
Oh,
you were talking
yeah.
about renaming me the goat.
Yeah, and I can't.
Like that entire day I was the goat. Then we played something else that day, which somehow turned my goat switch off. It's a little sad when your goat switch turns off all of a sudden. That's how it's been lately for me, actually. So, a little sad. I thought my file was just touching me. My headphone wire was.
You know what I love about Restored Reels?
What?
It's huge. Like, not really huge,
Yeah.
but you can always manage to get a kill.
Okay, get on with the point.
I think you can always manage to get a kill.
True.
If you're here.
Facts. Unless if
get
you're a
at least
noob.
one.
Unless if you suck.
Usually you can get at least one.
Unless
At
if you
least.
suck.
Yeah.
That's
Then
the
you just suck and you die.
Dude, I need to become goated all of a sudden. I need my automatic switch to. I can't speak anymore. I can't speak it. I can't even speak it anymore. Switch to turn on.
I have like a full
Bro,
keyboard.
my English
Like
went to 100 to 0 real quick.
There's kids going that way.
I know. I don't want to say
Hey,
something
way
rude
too far.
because this is a kid friendly. Well, Fortnite isn't basically, but I'm talking about the recordings. Of course you
Yeah,
did that.
we record for kids. Well, technically you record for kids.
Yeah, I'm recording it. You ain't doing none. Except when you record on your Xbox, but that only lasts for like 10 minutes. So.
There's kids over here. I'm gonna rush them.
Well, buddy, do you not realize I don't have like that? So I have to make my way down without getting killed. I almost killed myself again. Buddy.
I mean, I can res you.
Nah, I'm just at 59 because I took fall damage. Definitely, I want to kill kids with this mythic. Oh, okay. I just got one kid with the mythic.
You're not getting any kills this time, though.
Oh, crap. Don't worry, I got it. Or you got it.
One.
Damn, got it.
One damage to him. Ooh.
This mythic is actually one of the goats, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because
But Gatekeeper isn't.
who doesn't love the gatekeeper? Even with the normal gatekeeper, I start to get dubs.
I love the Gatekeeper, but it's not as good as the Hammer Pump.
Well, you can die easily with the hammer pump. Because it takes forever to pump it, so then you just get headshotted. So that's definitely not one of my personal favorites, but when it's the only shotgun I got, it's my favorite. Gotta heal up here.
I'm just chugging a big pot real quick.
I got the ride the lightning. Oh, bet I'm going to combat. Bye, soldier. I'll see you later. Got him!
Nice.
It was real simple, actually. Ooh, I got another kid. I got it. Yup, one head. Headshot at him once and he was dead.
Where's his teammate at?
Bro, I got.
And how did he only have one gun?
That's what I'm saying. That's what
Oh,
I'm saying.
both.
Oh, we're going towards the store, not away.
I think it's that boat we're trying. Yeah, it's that boat we're trying to go to. Well, I'm trying to go to. I don't know about you.
Me too. I'm trying to go to it too, boy. Don't you say only you, because I like vaults.
I said I am. I don't
No,
know.
I was just walking on water.
Pastor. Okay.
Literally, come to me. I can walk on water. With one thing of material.
Do it now.
I'm walking on water.
You're happy. Happy.
No, use the nitro splash. It makes you walk on water.
Yo, see if there's a car.
Don't say I'm like, even you viewers, if you have Fortnite, try it out. It literally makes you run on water. Yo, are you gonna hop in or what?
I'm coming, shut up.
How do you like my car? I got it for free, it says.
Oh.
I just randomly earned it. So,
Yo,
whee!
as fast as possible.
What?
Or other people do. Yo, you drive. I'll get there faster.
No.
How much you want?
This is my car, I drive.
It is?
Well, nah, I thought it wasn't.
I can't wait to go.
If you rip my car one more time,
But I couldn't even break it the first time.
end my car. Or actually. Got it, kid.
I'm gonna see what it is.
Come here,
No,
boy.
it's not even loaded yet.
This kid thinks he's a goat! Just get away. Get away from me if you think you're the goat. Do you think you're the goat? Do you think you're the goat, boy?
I am not. I know
Okay.
that.
I'm not. I know I'm not. I'm definitely not the goat.
Am I safe to come up?
I am not the goat. Have a video, they not dead. Okay, there's one down. Got one kid down.
I'm at 11.
How are they not shot? Hacking, they're not even in the car. They're not in the car. Hacking, they're not even in the car.
34, 67.
I'm trying to come to you, but they don't kill me.
They're gone.
Not exactly. They're still there. I'm gonna lead them away from you. You can see my teammates over here. Make sure you're my teammate. Bro, my hands are sweaty right now. My remote's all sweaty now. There's a kid above you. It's out. Take my shotgun to keep it.
If I survive.
Well, no, don't even give it back to me.
What?
You know what? Yeah, the clip is gonna end there. Wait 1 second. You have to cover it up real quick. Yeah, so the clip is gonna end there. So, peace out. See you if you watch another one of my videos.